Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you are planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can customize the control panel of the smartphone, and if you don't like this newer one, you can set it to the older one. Firstly, to customize this, click on this edit button. From here you can drag and drop these panels and adjust as per your likings. You can also switch from notification bar to the control panel like this. So you have to swipe from the right side to open your control center and from the left side to open your notification bar. Now if you want to set the older one, then open your control panel, click on this edit icon, select panel settings and then select together. Now it will set your control panel to the older one, in which you will get your notification bar and your control panel together. You can also adjust the brightness of your flashlight. By default, if you will turn your flashlight on, it is selected to around 50%. To increase or decrease it, tap and hold on the flashlight icon, and from here you can increase and even decrease the brightness of your torch. If you will try to take a screenshot by using your three fingers like this, then you won't be able to do that, but there is a separate gesture for this. Use your palm and then swipe to the left like this. Then you will be able to click a screenshot, and you can also use this volume down button and power button at the same time, then it will click a screenshot. But if you want to click a screenshot of a whole article or of a chat, click a normal screenshot and then keep on tapping on this icon to adjust the length of your screenshot. And that's how you can click a long screenshot in the smartphone as well. You can change the UI colors of the smartphone. If you don't like this white, then you can select your favorite color, tap and hold on the home screen and then select wallpaper and style. Select color palette. Firstly enable this, and from here you can select any of these color palettes. If you want to set any solid color, then select basic colors and then select your favorite color and then click on apply. That will change the UI color of the smartphone. It will take few seconds and then change the UI color. If you want to disable the content of your notifications from different messenger applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, etc., then open your settings, select notifications and then select lock screen notifications. From here select hide content. Now it will only show the icons of the app from which you will receive the notification, but hide the content of that notification. In the same notification setting, you will see an option called notification pop-up style. From here you can change the notification pop-up style, select edge lighting style, and here you have some cool looking styles. Select your favorite one. You can further adjust and customize it. You can change the color, transparency and duration, and then click on done. Then it will change the notification style in the smartphone. If you want to change the order of these three navigation buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, select display, scroll down and then select navigation bar. To change the order, select more options, and from here you can change the order of these three buttons. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select swipe gestures. Now you can go back like this, open your recent applications like this and jump to your home screen like this. You can use circle to search feature. So while using your social media application or while reading any article, if you want to search anything whatever you have on your display, then simply long press your middle button like this and then circle the object, image or text like this. Then it will directly search whatever you have to Google for you. To increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, you can enable the next feature. Open your settings, select battery and then select battery protection. Firstly enable this. From here you can adjust the intensity of this feature. You can select basic, adaptive or maximum, and this will increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. You can also use another feature from charging settings. The feature's name is fast charging. If you enable this, then it will increase the charging speed of your phone. If you will double press your power button, then it will launch the camera application. You can also customize this action and select any of the application and tools. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then select advanced features. From here, select side button and then select double press. You can select these tools, or if you want to select any apps, then select app and then select your favorite application. And now whenever you will double press your power button, then it will directly open that application for you. You can use a feature called Edge Panel to increase the efficiency of your phone usage. So open your settings, select display and then select Edge Panels. Then it will start showing a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. To open this, simply swipe to the left. It will open your Edge Panel. You can also edit this. You can remove unnecessary application from here and add your favorite or most usable application. You can use this smart select to extract any text or image while using your internet. Simply open this and then select the area from which you want to extract the text or image. And if you will open any application from here, then it will directly open it. So while using your settings quickly, if you want to open Google, simply open your Edge Panel and then select Google. So this will increase the efficiency. If you use your phone at night a lot, then the next two features are especially for you. Open your settings, select display. The first one is dark mode. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white colors into black colors. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye comfort shield. If you enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can definitely use these two features. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down, select advanced features, select side button and then select long press. From here, select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can open your control panel and there on the top you will see an icon of power. Tap on this, then it will open your power menu. You can also use this one when your power button is not working. You can use every application in split screen and pop-up view, but firstly you have to enable certain settings. Open your settings, scroll down, select advanced feature. Firstly select labs and enable this. Now come back and then select multi-window. Then enable all these three settings. Now if you want to open any application in split view, then open that application and then swipe up by using two fingers from the bottom like this. Then select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications in split view. And now if you want to open any application in pop-up view, then open that application and then swipe down from the corner like this. Then it will open that application in pop-up view. You can drag and drop it anywhere and you can minimize it like this, and to close it, drag and drop to close. If your video is not stabilized, the reasons may be you have disabled the stabilization settings. To enable this, open your settings, click on this icon and then select settings. From here you have to enable this video stabilization settings and then you will start getting your stabilized video. If you will open your camera application, then by default it will click your picture with the help of 12 megapixel camera. If you want to click the high quality picture, then tap on this, then it will enable the 50 megapixel camera and you will get the best photograph from this smartphone. This phone can actually record up to 4K video, but in the default camera application you can only record up to full HD at 30 fps. If you want to record a 4K video, then you have to download any third-party app. Example, you can download Open Camera application and from that you can record 4K video at 30 fps. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.